Hi, I'm Laura Lauk. I'm a product specialist with the Hubert Company. And today I'm going to show you our Expressly Hubert Euro Basket set. So what you get when you order this set is you get the wire basket, and we do offer this in a couple different finishes. So take a look at that on our website. You also get an acrylic lid, and it comes with a knob. You do need to just attach the knob with a simple Phillips screwdriver. And it comes with a nice plastic liner. So we get a lot of questions on this. People want to see, like, how does it really fit together? Is it easy to clean? How does it really lay on the basket? So that's what I want to show you today. You can just load your liner with your product and place it in the wire basket. It's made to perfectly fit inside of this wire basket. And then got your lid. And if you notice on the back, there's a piece on the back that attaches to the wire. You want to kind of catch that liner with this attachment so that it kind of holds the liner in place. It just makes it really secure. There you go. So you can see it's a nice self-serve basket. Just lays over the top of the wire. And it's really nice. It's a nice sanitary product. You don't have to rig something up to create this. We offer all the pieces in the set. And it's really nice too with these bakery items that have like the little seeds in them. Obviously you wouldn't be able to create a style like this without that liner inside. So it's really easy to clean. You just pull everything out and hand wash it. So today we showed you our Expressly Hubert Euro Basket set. It comes with all the pieces you need to create a great bakery display. If you have questions on this or any of our other products, just give us a call. Thank you for watching.